Hello, I'm Timothy and welcome to this short video showing you the spinner function in the new editor. So you might be familiar with it on the classic editor, so very similar actually. So we have here a nice page I've made here, very subtle. So we have a spinner. I've put this one in already. We can click on this. Norman and Laura are in the lesson and I can spin. Here we go, spin away, and we can have whoever's in the class. Obviously I've only got two because I'm just doing this little demo, but you can have whatever numbers in there, and this will then automatically generate the spinner there. So really good for cold calling with your learners as well. I used to use spinners a lot, keeping people on their toes. You could use them in lots of different ways. So really nice, really easy to do here as well. For added convenience, there is also this little jigsaw puzzle piece representing components. You can click on this, so even if you don't want to integrate it onto your actual slide, which I'll show you in a second anyway, but you can click on this and you can access the spinner that way as well. So even if you don't want it to be part of your actual page, let's see who it would have been this time. There we go. I just can't resist spinning it, so it would have been Laura again. Anyway, so we go back to the slide. If I close the lesson here, we have the page coming up. There we go. So all I did was with this, it's just a case of click on spinner, and there you go. You've got it in. You can change the order, change the size, change the position. Really simple, really versatile, something that you can bring into lessons really easily. So thank you for watching. Give spinner a go. Goodbye.